So just I have some quick questions for you people. Can you please answer? Sir, I want to do more hard work to get the success. Is it correct or not?
Wrong.
No.
Not
Wrong way. Wrong way. Sir, I want to do everything myself. I don't want to depend on the people because quality is going to be down. Is it correct way of thinking?
wrong.
No.
Wrong. Okay, sir. If I do this, then only best quality is going to be there. So if I do this activity, then only I will get satisfaction. Okay, the remaining people may not take that much care because owner is the owner, worker is the worker. There is a difference in there. That's why I require to take care each and every activity. I require to monitor each and every activity. This type of thing is the wrong way of thinking. Remember that. Identify right who's. Delegate. Next. Sir, only my life means work and money. Work and money. Except these two things, all the remaining things, I don't want to worry. If I'm keep on doing the work, then happy life by default will be there. Okay. If I'm earning, then all my problems by default will be solved. Is it correct way of thinking?
No, sir.
No way. No way. It's not correct. Because, sir, here your success means not only money. Your success means not only work. Okay? Work, money, life balance. Life balance must be required. You require to take care about your health. You require to take care about your family members. You require to think about relationships, friends, hobbies. All these things matters a lot. Not only work and money. Remember carefully. Okay.